Welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you add pictures to your TikTok app or your TikTok videos. First of all, you have to open your TikTok app. At the bottom, you can see the plus icon or the option of plus. You have to click on it. There you can see the time 3 minutes, 60 seconds, 15 seconds. But at the very bottom, you can see the option of camera, story, and templates. You have to simply click on templates. There you can see that there are thousands of designs that you can add templates, or you can add your pictures here. There you can see select up to 4 items, select up to 1 item, select up to 8 items at the time, select up to 1 item. For example, I have to make this template or to add my picture on this. I simply click on the upload photos. There you can see my mobile gallery is open. From here I can check on or select the random photos. For example, I have to select this and click on the OK. There you can see that my photo is uploaded on the template. In this way, you can add your photos from your gallery on the TikTok app in the form of templates. I hope you can understand my video. If you have any question, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.